everybody, it's Ashley from the Haircut Box. I so wish I could give each of you a personalized haircutting lesson, but since I can't, I decided to do the second best thing. I brought in a complete rookie. She'd only ever given one haircut before and made a few mistakes. And I'm pretty sure you're making those same mistakes. Watch this video and learn from those. Remember, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button at the end of this video. Figure out where you want that hard part, if you want a hard part. So really like just douse that hair. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Isn't that awesome? So instead of coming this way, see how the hair doesn't do that? Just comb everything forward and then you can part it that way. We're going to start on this side. Okay. The side that it gets pushed to, you just barely go up at all. And then you're going to, with the clippers, yep. And then you're going to come around and you'll work your way all the way up to this hard part. So you come up and then it's kind of a diagonal all the way down over this ear.
The one that happened with the lever down, right?
Yes! Hey, you watched it. You're prepared. There you go. Are you nervous? Okay. Don't be nervous. Yeah, that first time up, you don't really have to rock. You just go up. Now hold that with your left hand. Put that left hand, hold all of that hair really tight. So put that guard right on that part. Yeah.
And I'm holding
No, you're holding them right, but sometimes on that part, since it's tight. Yeah, and now we're just going to start blending this all the way down. So what you're going to do is you're going to shave about right here, and then we're going to take another clipper guard up. Do less than you think, so you can blend. You can always go shorter. Every time you do your lever, it adds like a half. So we just did a 1 1/2. So now we're at 2. Okay. Bringing the guard and it's poking him like this. Yeah. So you're trying to rock it away. You want to just start down and then rock it away like this. Okay, so you want to come flush and then rock. You can turn your clippers diagonal, but you don't want to come in with the clipper guard to his skin. Yep, you were pointing like that, which was hurting and not giving you a great cut. Okay, so the sides are basically done. Now we're just going to start on the top. So take your middle mohawk section and start about right there. And you're just going to part like an inch, ½ inch right down the middle. Ring finger, now take your thumb out. Okay. Keep your ring finger in. I'm gonna make you do this in front of the camera.
Thumb out.
Thumb out. Okay.
Okay.
And that's how you do it. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, so it like this. See how you're gonna lose hair every time.
Right.
So what you want to do is you want to bring your comb in and put your fingers, these 2 fingers, right underneath the comb and slide it up. You want to cut from this first knuckle to the tip of your finger. Pull it all the way up, and that's what you want to cut. You want your fingers parallel with the floor. You don't want them tilted one way or the other.
Oh, these are nice scissors.
Thank you. Now, see how this hair is right, how that hair was right there in that spot, and you didn't get a good clean cut. So you only really want to cut from your knuckles. Perfect. And some hair that you haven't cut. Okay, but you need to make sure when you comb it up, you need to make sure that it's just a cleaner cut. So you just kind of took one comb and it was all jumbled. Okay. So just make sure it's a cleaner cut when you're combing it. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see. So you're gonna do this. Okay. Yep, and you only have to comb it from this way. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So as soon as that's ready, then you stick your comb right in there. Perfect. Yes! You're like as rookie as it gets, right? Are you really not as rookie as it gets?
It really is.
You want to stand directly behind your cut. Rookie mistake. Get the hair super wet. You have way more control. So turn your comb, like this. I'm gonna get very romantic right now again. COVID, what? Yes. As you're going up, comb all the way. Yes, perfect. Yes.
And then.
Yep, chop. Yep, okay, now comb it out again on that side. Perfect, follow that angle. It's like a mom trying to teach a kid how to clean a bathroom. The haircut's all about like a traveling guide. So you want to take a little bit of what you have cut and then match it to what you haven't cut, just so everything's really nice and even. The reason you're going to angle it down because you want it to be shorter to blend into this back part. Okay, comb all the way up and follow with your fingers all the way up. So comb, when you do it, comb all the way up. There we go. Just like that. Make actual concise parts with your comb. Look at that left hand. You take control of that left hand. Okay, so when I say concise parts, so you're going to come right here and comb that to the side. Then you're going to come right here and comb that to the side. So now you know exactly what you're cutting, and now you can part it, angle it down. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So comb up. Make sure you're combing it all the way up. There, yes! It's just like those little things that you're like, oh, okay. And I always turn my comb like this to get a better part. Because like this, you're like, well, that doesn't do anything.
Right.
That is going to give you a good part. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Take control. Take control. Oh, comb all the way up to see how there's not a clean cut. There we go. Okay, make another part right out here. Keep that angle going. Nice.